Hi, so I have here the Samsung Galaxy Light phone, and I'm going to show you how to open it. So it's very easy. Going from the top, so this is the top here. Facing away, this is the camera side, the back side. If you notice at the top here, there's a notch. So I'm simply going to put my fingernail in here and pull away and open it. It's exactly like a box cover actually, and then from the top I'm just going to open it around the sides, and it comes out very easily. And to put it back, go from the bottom. I find the bottom being the easiest, and then cover from the top. Lots of times with other phones you angle it from the top and then slide the bottom, but this is opposite. So there you go. That's how you open it. And to give you a close-up here of that notch that I'm talking about, right there. So I simply put my fingernail in here once again, and I pull, and that's it. And it comes out very easily. So, and looking at the inside, this is where the SD card resides. And you'll see at the bottom there is the SIM. So they go right on top of each other. The SIM being at the lower, and then the SD card being at the top there. So you could see that. But that's all there is. Thank you for watching.